Good morning. I thought I would just come on as I have received another package from Jonathan Bird. I guess I won 5 days of track out of the 30 days, which I didn't even know. So anyways, let me open up this package and see what it is. It actually came a couple days ago, but I've been so busy and tired that I just haven't had a chance to open it. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is what it is. It's a space plane, OV-165. Cool. Awesome. Thank you again, Jonathan. I appreciate everything, and I will eventually find a place to put all of these and display them. So, anyways, take care, my friend from the UK.